Hey everyone, happy January. I hope that you guys are ready for a brand new year. I have a lot of exciting things going on in my 31 business, and I'm going to share some of those with you today. But first, I'm going to go over to my computer and I'm going to share this video into my customer page, my VIP customer page. So if you're not in that group, please join my group. I will post the link in the comments after this is over. So give me just a second to refresh. If you're watching live with me, please comment. If you're watching the replay, let me know that you're watching the replay. Just comment replay or live. And here we are. Share. I'm still here sharing, sorry. I'm going to share this into my group. All right, so hopefully I shared the video into my VIP page on my computer. All right, so I wanted to share with you today some of the things that we have in our outlet sale that is going on right now. So if you have clicked the link to my website, you may have noticed that the traffic on my website is very heavy. So that means that there are a lot of people shopping our outlet sale, which is awesome because there's so many great deals. But it's kind of frustrating if you try to click on there and it's not working. So what we have done is we have set in place a metered approach, which means that we are letting several thousand in at a time on our website. That way, all these people that are on there at one time don't crash the website. So we're doing that metered approach, letting a few in at a time. So if you keep refreshing or keep trying, you might be able to get in and place your order. If you're in my VIP group, I have posted screenshots of everything that's in the sale right now. So many good things. So that's just another reason to join my VIP group. All right. So I am going to show you some of the things that are in the sale, and I'm going to have a two-part video. This is part one, and this is going to be just for your family. Okay. So the first section that I have is my thermals. Okay. So these thermals or any of these products that I'm going to show you, I may not have that particular print that's in the sale, but it's that product that's in the sale. Does that make sense? Okay. So the first one I'm going to share with you guys is the Fresh Market Thermal. This is in the sale, actually in this print. So here we go. All right. So you have the huge thermal right here. This is thermal lined. This is the Fresh Market Thermal. This can hold your entire crock pot. It is huge. It can also hold 9x13s if you lay them on top of each other. And let's see, if you're watching, comment so I know you're here. So this is the Fresh Market Thermal. It has a pocket on the front, which is great if you need to take spoons or napkins. Fresh Market Thermal's in the sale. And then some of the prints have different prices. So I'm not giving prices in my video just because I don't want to say the wrong price. All right. The next one we have, I'll start smaller. This is the Bring a Bottle Thermal. So this can hold your water bottle. Right here's mine. And keep your water cold. This is such a great product, especially in the summertime. I know that this is on sale in charcoal. And it has a little clip right here so you can clip it on anything. It keeps your drink hot or cold, however you'd like it. All right, so this is the Bring a Bottle Thermal. Then we have our Cool Zip Thermal Pouch. So this also has a little clip right here so you can clip it onto a backpack or anything, maybe a diaper bag or a stroller. And the inside is thermal lined. My light is really bright. Let's see. The inside is thermal lined, and you do have a pocket right here. So this can hold about 3 canned drinks, like the 12-ounce canned drink. This is also great for someone who might have diabetes and they take medicine with them, insulin, anything for kids, snacks for after school if they're going to dance right after school. This is the Cool Zip Thermal. It comes in a different print in the sale. Then we have our zipper set, our thermal pouch zipper set. This is in the Cool Confetti Dot, I think is the name of the print of this that's in the sale. This is the exact print that's in the sale. All right, you've got the big thermal right here, and then it also comes with a smaller thermal pouch too. Really, really great. Great little set right here. The next thermal we have is the Go-To Thermal, and everybody is always asking for this Checkmate print. So if you go to my website, you can type in any kind of keyword in the search. So in the search, type in check or checkmate together. But type in checkmate and you will see all of the prints that are in the sale in checkmate. So this is one of them. This is the go-to thermal. This can fold flat. It's great for kids' lunches in their backpacks. It zips on the top and then it's thermal lined right here. So this is the go-to thermal. It has a pocket on the front, a little handle right here. It's great for kids and their lunch. The next one I have is the lunch break thermal. I think in the sale this comes in 2 prints. This is just mine, and this is my favorite lunch thermal, whether it be for a kid or for an adult. When I was working full time, this is the one that I carried every day. So I love this this size because it can hold so much. As you can see, the bottom is pretty wide, so this can hold your Tupperware dishes laying flat. And so you don't have to stack them on their side hey Leah, you don't have to stack them on their side. You can lay your dishes in here flat. And the straps are long enough to where you can carry it on your shoulder. So this is the lunch break thermal. This is also in the sale. Woohoo! All right, the next one I have is the the quick cinch thermal. This comes in the sale, I think in charcoal. This was mine from this summer. So this is a cinch sack. So you cinch it up and then you can wear it on your back like this on both sides. But the inside is thermal lined. Here we go, thermal line, and you do have a zipper right here on the front, all right? So this is the Cool Zip Thermal. All right, the last thermal that I have to share with you guys is the Quick Cinch Thermal. There's so many thermals, so you can also type in thermal on my website and it will show you all the ones that are on the sale. So as you can see, I have this rolled up and Velcroed closed. I'm gonna unvelcro it. This is in the sale. This is the Geo Stripe print. This is in purple. Okay. So I unrolled it. This thing is absolutely huge, okay? So I'm gonna open it up. On the inside, I'm not doing a very good job opening it, but on the inside, it is so deep and huge. This is great if you go to Aldi's and you like to carry your cold foods home. This just cinches right up, okay? And then maybe this can kind of give you a good size comparison. This thing is huge. This is great for football games. If you're going, like I said, to the grocery store, for anywhere that you're going out and about and you need to keep things cold, just cinch it up right here. And it also has a pocket on the front. All right, so now we are down to some of our utility products, okay? So the utility totes always go first in the sale. Period, the end. They go fast, all right? So if you want a utility tote, I highly suggest that you get one as soon as you can get into my website, all right? So there's several different prints. This is the medium utility tote. This is in the Hello Holiday. And we also have our stand tall inserts in the sale, the medium stand tall inserts. So these medium stand tall inserts fit inside the medium utility tote, okay? So you see how this looks on the inside. So what this does is this stand tall insert, it snaps down inside the grommets of your utility tote on both sides. So this side I don't have it snapped in, just so you can see. So it just fits right down in here. This gives your utility tote structure and organization. So you have the mesh pockets here, and on both sides you have the mesh pockets. So the medium utility tote in the sale comes in several different prints. This is the Hello Holiday, and then our medium stand tall inserts comes in red, black, navy, and hot pink, okay? So if you're gonna get these, I highly suggest that you get them early. All right, the next one that's in the sale is the large utility tote. We have several prints of the large utility tote in the sale. This is the Sunset Medallion, and honestly, when I got this, when I ordered it, or actually I earned it for free, I was like, I don't know if I'm really gonna like that print, but when it came, I fell in love with it. So this was part of our Global Inspired line. This utility tote will also come in the Floral Fiesta. It also comes in the Etched Elements, and then it will also be in the Southwest Stripe, which is so gorgeous. All right, so the large utility tote, there's several prints of those, and these will go fast. I will just tell you, they will go fast. All right, so the next things that I have lined up to share with you guys, just a few more things, is this is the Game On set. So we got this summer, and my kids loved it when we went to the beach. So on the back, I embroidered King Me. So the front, this can be a checkerboard. When you open it up, it comes with an extra little set right here. So it comes with a little tic-tac-toe board right here. And then on the inside, I couldn't remember how I had these in here. You have these little chips. So these can be for checkers, or they can be for tic-tac-toe. So this is a fun little game for the car if you're traveling, or if you just need a little extra gift. This is great. So this is the Game On set, and it just cinches closed just like that. So cute. Then we have our ice cream bowl sets. So I had to go grab mine from upstairs. I absolutely love these. These are perfect size for ice cream. So it's a set of 4, and it's $4.99. Ceramic ice cream bowls comes in black, turquoise, and like a lime green. So this is such a cute little set. Great little gift for someone. We also have the little Oh Snap bin. These are great. That also comes in that ice cream print. Really, really cute, and like a gray and white stripe. I love these. I actually have one of these in my kids' bathroom. I have I think it's a 12 ounce or 16 ounce Cool Whip tub that we used, and I just washed it out, and it fits perfectly down on the inside. So in their bathroom, I have their toothbrushes, their toothpaste, their little cups, all the their floss, little extra things. But what's great about these things is it's called Oh Snap Bin. So these snap right here. So this can snap around a towel bar and hang there. You can also snap several of these together and have several of them. Really, really cute in the classroom for crayons or markers. So this is the Oh Snap Bin. This is in the sale. We have the Family Fold Up Organizer, which is really, really great. If you're traveling, you can hook this around your towel bar in the bathroom. Hang it up. You can have your makeup, your jewelry, your anything that you need to travel with. Your travel size bottles of shampoo. If your kids want to use this in church, put their crayons in here. Put a white piece of paper down here in this section, and then zip it up, and then they can write on here and use it as a dry erase board. How cool is that? So great little tri-fold bag. I love this Family Fold Up Organizer. Then we have the Crossbody Organizing Utility Tote. This comes in, I know one print in the sale. I'm not sure if there's 2. I can't remember. I know there's 1. But this is great because you have the 2 deep pockets on the front. You have the mesh pockets on the side, which is perfect for like a water bottle, your cell phone, your chapstick. This is our only organizing utility tote that is a crossbody. So this is a crossbody. So if you need to be hands-free with your kids, you can. You can keep your wallet right here in the front, your water bottle, your sippy cups, however you're traveling. And then this does zip on the top. It has a zipper closure on the top, and then on the inside, it's a pretty deep bag with a pocket in the back. So this is the organizing crossbody. All right, then we have in the sale, one of the prints of this is the Super Swap It Pocket. So this is such a great addition to any tote bag that you have. This also is great for a Bible bag. So what you do is if you're using this as a Bible bag, you can open this up, put your Bible in here, keep your hand sanitizer, your Kleenexes, maybe your pens. So have your Bible in the middle, and then these 2 sides, on both sides, they zip down. And you can store extra things in here too. Maybe your Sunday school material, little notepads. So that's great for a Bible bag. It's also great for a cosmetic bag. I use this for my hair dryer, my flat iron. It all fits in the bottom. And then I have my little travel size bottles here. And then I can put my makeup right there. This also fits down inside of any of our utility totes, just like this, and gives you structure and organization. It gives you elastic pockets and zipper pockets, so you feel so organized. So this is the Super Swap It Pocket that's in the sale. Great for your family. Another thing that's in the sale, and a couple of prints, is the All-In Organizer. This is a great little size. To give you like a size comparison on this, DVDs fit perfect in here standing tall. So you can fit probably about 15 or 20 DVDs in here. So this is the All-In Organizer. Okay. And then we have, this is the mini catch-all bin. This is a cute little addition to your home. If you'd like to keep this on your counter, maybe for your K-cups, it's really good for that. It's great for kids. This little thing is so cute. And then we have the mama of it. This is the catch-all bin in the bigger size. So this would be great on your, maybe on your mantle, not on your mantle, on your hearth, next to your fireplace. This would be great to put at the bottom of the steps if you need a little catch-all bin. That's what it's called, the catch-all bin. If you want to keep this at the bottom of your steps to tote, you know, if you need to go upstairs in just a few minutes, you can put whatever it is you want to carry up there in that so you don't forget to take it. So this is the catch-all bin. And that is, oh, wait, one more thing. This is the Going My Way backpack. I think this is going to sell out really fast. I love this. So this is the one that we use for my daughter, actually. We don't carry a diaper bag for her anymore, but we still carry a bag with her toys and her snacks and all that stuff. So this is a great little book bag. It has the mesh pockets on the side so we can fit her sippy cups. I keep my phone and my chapstick and my gum in the front. And then on the inside, there's an elastic pocket and a big deep section for anything that you're carrying. And it is a backpack. So this is just a few of the things that is in the outlet sale, and I hope I didn't get too long-winded, but I was so excited and I wanted to share with you guys. So just keep in mind the products that I showed you. It may not be in that particular print that I showed you, but it is that product that's on sale. So there's several different prints that are on sale. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and please join my VIP group. I'll post that link in the comments. That way you can join and see all of the products and prints that are on sale. So have a good day. Let me know if you have questions.